So, just when you thought the Hummer EV couldn't get any crazier, GMC goes and makes it even crabbier. For 2026, the Hummer EV lineup is getting a few smart updates. But the big headline? A new carbon fiber edition that can go from 0 to 60 in just 2.8 seconds. Yep, 2.8. That's supercar territory from a massive electric truck. This special edition builds off the 3X model but pushes things harder with some new software, upgraded calibration, and a bit of hardware magic. It now cranks out a wild 1,160 horsepower thanks to a 24-module battery pack. And yeah, it looks the part too. Carbon fiber wheels, matte gray paint, black emblems, and a fancy new interior called Velocity Ember. GMC isn't saying it's lighter though. The carbon fiber is more about style than weight savings. Now, outside of the Carbon Edition, the regular 2026 Hummers are still getting some cool stuff. There's a new feature called King Crab Mode. And no, that's not a seafood setting. It's an upgraded version of Crab Walk, where the rear wheels turn faster than the front, making tight trails and rock crawling easier. It's standard on 2X and 3X trims, but GMC says all Hummer EV owners will get it via an over-the-air update later this year. Tech-wise, the infotainment screen now supports a split-view layout, so drivers can see more info at once. Super Cruise also got some upgrades, though GMC hasn't spilled the full details yet. And hey, now all Hummers support bidirectional charging, so you can power another EV or even your house during a blackout. Oh, and 2 new colors are here, Coastal Dune and Auburn Matte, plus new interior themes like Granite Drift and Stealth Eclipse. Subtle changes, but nice. The 2026 Hummer EVs will be built at GM's Factory Zero in Michigan and should start hitting dealerships later this year. No pricing or range numbers yet, but those are coming soon, probably late this summer. If you like this update, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more straight-up car news. Catch you in the next one.